Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine, thank you.
So today we are going to start a new chapter.
Which chapter, ma'am?
Pollution.
Okay, ma'am.
So first let's start with the introduction. Introduction of pollution. The mixing of harmful materials, such as waste materials, smoke, gases and chemicals, in the environment is called pollution. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Damien, say the types of pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Types of pollution. There are 4 main types of pollution. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil pollution. 4. Noise pollution.
Good. So let's start with air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to materials. There are different types of air pollutants, such as gases, particulates, and biological molecules. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, fumes or odor get mixed in the air. Polluted air is harmful to human beings, animals and plants. Causes of air pollution. The smoke emitted from factories and vehicles is the major source of air pollution. Most factories and vehicles use fuels such as coal and petroleum. When these fuels are burnt, they leave behind soot, ash and certain gases that are harmful for the Earth's atmosphere. The pollutants released from factories and vehicles cause smog, which is a combination of fog and smoke. Domestic cooking appliances using wood, coal or kerosene emit pollutants. This also contributes to air pollution. Air is also polluted due to natural calamities such as volcanic eruptions, sandstorms and forest fires. Harmful effects of air pollution. Air pollution causes many respiratory diseases in human beings. The presence of pollutants in the air leads to the shortage of nutrients to plants. Their growth slows down and then die. An increase in level of air pollution also increases the temperature of a place and affects the climate. Damien, do you have any more information on harmful effects of air pollution?
Yes, ma'am, I have some information.
Then tell.
Okay, ma'am. Harmful effects of air pollution. Air pollution causes acid rain. Acid rain occurs when certain gases released by burning fossil fuels mix with the water in the air. This rain can damage forests, soil, water bodies and buildings. The Earth's atmosphere is covered with a protective ozone layer. The ozone layer keeps the harmful rays of sun from reaching the Earth. Air pollution causes the thinning of the ozone layer. Ambient air pollution accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, acute and chronic respiratory diseases. Ma'am, done.
Very good. How to stop air pollution? Buy electricity generated from renewable energies, that is hydroelectric, wind or solar power. Use a propane or natural gas grill instead of charcoal. Then, you are not putting fossil fuels into the air, which can be incredibly detrimental to the world around you. Reduce the number of trips you take in your car. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials. Damien, tell about water pollution.
Okay, ma'am. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies.
Good.
Ma'am, can I say causes of water pollution?
Yes, you can say.
Okay, ma'am. Causes of water pollution. Dumping garbage and untreated sewage into the water bodies is a major cause of water pollution. These get accumulated in huge heaps and affect aquatic plant and animal life adversely. Waste material collected from cities and towns is sometimes disposed into the water bodies located near them. Factories cause water pollution by releasing oils, poisonous chemicals and industrial wastes directly into water bodies. Chemical fertilizers used in farming seep deep into the ground and pollute the groundwater.
Very nice. Harmful effects of water pollution. Drinking contaminated water causes many diseases such as cholera, typhoid, jaundice, paratyphoid fever, amoebiasis, malaria and dysentery. Pollution of rivers and lakes kills aquatic plants and animals. Ocean water is polluted due to the fuel released by ships and oil tankers that carry petroleum. Chemicals in the water also have negative effects on our health. Pesticides can damage the nervous system and cause cancer because of the carbonates and organophosphates that they contain. More and more of our groundwater is being polluted. Between 1960 and 2000, the scale of groundwater pollution doubled. By 2000, over 280 billion tons of groundwater was being polluted annually, the same as 280 square kilometers or 9,000 tons a second. Pollution of Earth's groundwater affects humans immensely as modern societies require enormous amounts of water. How to stop water pollution? If there are two options for a particular item, pick the one that is easily recyclable. For example, glass bottles are much better for the environment than plastic. Better to dispose of oils in the garbage, or collect all your excess oil in one bottle and then throw that away. Never throw away medicines in the water supply. It is bad to flush them down the toilet or crush them in your kitchen sink disposal. While everyone wants a nice garden in their home, it is incredible how much water we waste during that process. Install a water butt in your home, because it can catch rainfall throughout the year and allow you to use that to water your grass and plants. Soil pollution. Soil or land pollution is the deterioration of the soil cover of the earth. Soil contamination or soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotics, chemicals, or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Causes of soil pollution. Overuse of pesticides and fertilizers for agricultural activities worsens the quality of the soil. Burning solid fuels, such as wood and coal, leaves behind ash which is harmful for the soil. Mining is another major reason for soil pollution. It erodes the soil and releases chemicals, such as mercury and lead, that pollute the soil. Landfills are large areas where garbage from the cities and towns is dumped. While some waste materials decay, others do not. The waste materials that do not decay pollute the soil. Chemical wastes from factories, such as oil refineries, also pollute the soil.
Mom, can I say the harmful effects of soil pollution?
Yes, you can say.
Harmful effects of soil pollution. Soil pollution makes the soil infertile. Crops grown in polluted soil have low nutrient values and are often harmful for health. Landfills are the sources of foul smell. They also attract flies, insects, and mice which spread diseases. Burning of landfills cause air pollution.
Good.
Ma'am, can I say how to stop soil pollution?
Yes, you can say.
How to stop soil pollution. Eat sustainable foodstuffs, properly recycle batteries, produce homemade compost, and dispose of drugs in the places authorized for this purpose. Encourage a more eco-friendly model for industry, farming, and stock breeding, among other economic activities. Keep your kitchen scraps from vegetables, fruits, coffee grounds, etc. in a composting bin or container. You can use this to add a compost site to your garden or add to your garden to create deeper topsoil, recycle nutrients, and save landfill space and reduce water and soil pollution.
Very good. Let's start with noise pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by sounds that have unpleasant effects or cause discomfort to the ears. Sound becomes unwanted when it either interferes with normal activities, such as sleeping and conservation, or reduces the quality of life. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution, is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life, most of them harmful to a degree. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport, and propagation systems. Noise pollution is associated with several health conditions, including cardiovascular disorders, hypertension, high stress levels, tinnitus, hearing loss, sleep disturbances, and other harmful and disturbing effects. According to a 2019 review of the existing literature, noise pollution was associated with faster cognitive decline. Causes of noise pollution. Excessive honking and noise produced by traffic is one of the major causes of noise pollution. Household machines, such as vacuum cleaners, mixers, grinders, and generators, produce a lot of unwanted noise. Bursting of crackers and using loudspeakers during festivals and weddings cause noise pollution. These noises scare away animals as they are sensitive to noise. Harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it causes is noise-induced hearing loss, NIL. Exposure to loud noise can also cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances, and stress. These health problems can affect all age groups, especially children. According to the National Park Service (NPS) in the United States, noise pollution has an enormous environmental impact and does serious damage to wildlife. Experts say noise pollution can interfere with breeding cycles and rearing and is even hastening the extinction of some species. How to stop noise pollution? 1. Upgrade your insulation. 2. Noise-canceling headphones and earplugs. 3. Turn off electrical appliances. 4. Place furniture strategically in your property. 5. Plant trees. 6. Close the windows. 7. Put on earplugs. 8. Do wall-to-wall carpeting. 9. Shut the door when using noisy machines. So our chapter is completed.